All right, guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to land a high-paying job offer or multiple high-paying job offers without filling out a single online application. So for those of you who are new, my name is Katie. I am a coach here with Career Sprout. On average, it takes us about 63 days to grow somebody's salary by about $37,000. So normally I will share my screen at this point and we'll dive into a presentation. Today, I wanted to go over the simplest way for you to land high-paying job offers without filling out online applications. And it all starts, people think it starts with the resume, it does not. It starts with knowing your career nirvana, having clarity on your career path and where you wanna end up. When you can clearly articulate where you wanna be 5, 10, 15 years from now, it's very easy to reverse engineer the next role that is going to be the best fit for you. That's always where we start. Once you know the next best role for you, from there, it only takes you about 30 minutes, 45 minutes to create your resume, to create your LinkedIn profile. So you'll know exactly what to put on your resume, exactly what to put on your LinkedIn profile by looking at the job descriptions for your specific next role. You can't be scattered. You have to pick one role, or I should say you get to pick one role, and then you will read about 15 to 20 of those job descriptions for that role from different companies, and you will see the keywords, the experience, the tools, all the things that they are looking for. Anything that's repeated across multiple job descriptions is very important. You essentially will put that into your resume, into your LinkedIn profile, and then two things happen. One, you have clarity on what you're looking for, and you will start to see those opportunities around you. You will hear those opportunities around you. There's some woo-woo people out there that have some explanations for it. There are some neuroscientists out there that have some explanations for why this happens. I can tell you with my own personal experience and with over 500 of our students, this happens. So get really clear on what you want. You'll start seeing and hearing of opportunities for that thing. The other thing that happens, which is even cooler, is that recruiters and hiring managers, when you do this properly, you will on a daily or weekly basis have recruiters and hiring managers actively reaching out to you, okay? Very important step. You won't even have to apply, or if you do have to apply, it's just a formality. Then the next, and this is the key, this is the difference between having to fill out hours and hours of applications versus having people actively reach out to you saying, hey, you're a perfect fit for this role. Step number 3 is reaching out to not only hiring managers, but the executives who are along your career path. Very important that you know what that career path is. Then you reach out to the executives, the vice presidents, the C-level executives, the directors, people who are further along that journey. You reach out to them and they will put you through the system. We see it happen all the time. And a lot of people, they're too scared to do it. They don't know what to say, or they're afraid that they're not going to get a response. If any of those things are you, shoot us an email, info@careersprout.com, or comment below, and we will give you templates. Or you can look, subscribe. We talk about this stuff all the time. Or go through some of our past videos. We've got templates for how to reach out to those individuals. That, hands down, if you follow those, you have to do those 3 steps. You can't just skip ahead to messaging the executives. You can't just skip ahead to that. You have to do step 1, getting really crystal clear on your career path and your next role, having your resume and your LinkedIn profile set up properly, and then you reach out. If you skip either of those steps, we know, because it doesn't work. You fall flat on your face every time, most times. So doing those 3 steps will put you in a position where you will have multiple companies. It's also helpful if you have a list of your dream companies so that you can reach out specifically to those individuals. But you will have, so long as you can present yourself well, of course, you will have multiple companies giving you offers, or giving you interview opportunities, I should say. And then of course, from there, you got to crush the interview, negotiate the offer, all that good stuff. But I see a ton of people wasting a ton of time applying online right now. You don't have to do that. Just follow those 3 steps. And if you guys want added tips or advice, feel free to subscribe, or I'll put a link below for a free workshop that you can go through to see each of these steps in detail. So hope you guys are having a good one. Talk soon.